हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एसिड एंड बेस। टॉपिक को क्लियर करने के लिए वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखें। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज एन एसिड। एन एसिड इज ए सबस्टेंस दैट प्रोड्यूसेस हाइड्रोजन आयन एज पॉजिटिव आयन इन वाटर। यानी कि व्हेन वी डिजोल्व दीज सबस्टेंसेस इन वाटर, these give as positive ions. An acid therefore can conduct electricity due to the presence of these positive ions. pH value of acidic substance is less than 7. In taste, acidic substances are sour. It has a stinging feeling and it is corrosive in nature. Second question is, what is an alkali or a base? An alkali is a substance that produces hydroxide ions, OH negative ion in waters. An alkali can conduct electricity due to the presence of these OH negative ions. The pH value of all alkali matters is more than 7. In case of taste, all bases have bitter taste and it is also corrosive in nature. Students, now we take the some example of acids. First, hydrochloric acids, chemical formula is HCl. Second, sulfuric acids, chemical formula is H2SO4. Third, nitric acids, chemical formula is HNO3. Fourth, carbonic acids, H2CO3. Citric acid, C6H8O7. और लास्ट एसिटिक एसिड CH3COOH. Now we discuss the strength of an acid. Strength of an acid depend on the extent of ionizations. The acid is stronger when more molecules are ionized. A strong acid is one in which all the acid molecules become ion in waters. For example, hydrochloric acid, chemical formula HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3. Students, now we take the weak acids, यानी कि वो acids. And weak acid is one in which only a few acid molecule became ion in water. यानी कि when we dissolve these substances, they give the less number of ions in water. For example, CH3COOH acetic acids. Secondly, citric acid C6H8O7. Third is carbonic acid H2CO3. Students, now we will discuss the reaction of acid with metals. All metal when react with acid give the chloride and hydrogen gas. For example, when magnesium react with hydrochloric acid यानी कि HCl give the magnesium chloride and H2. Second, calcium when react with H2SO4 and sulfuric acid give the calcium sulfate and hydrogen gas. Third, zinc when react with H2SO4 give the zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. Students, magnesium, calcium, zinc, when all of these react with the acids give the hydrogen gas. Students, now we discuss the reaction of acid with carbonates. General equation of acid and carbonates is metal carbonate plus acid give the salt, water and carbon dioxide. यानी कि when carbonate react with acid give the chloride, water and carbon dioxide. For example, when magnesium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid give the magnesium chloride plus में water plus में carbon dioxide. Secondly, calcium carbonate plus H2SO4 यानी कि when calcium carbonate और H2SO4 रिएक्शन करते हैं तो CaSO4 कैल्शियम सल्फेट बनता है और वाटर बनता है और साथ में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस पैदा होती है. Students, now we discuss the reaction of acid with bases. When acid and base react with each other give the chloride and waters. For example, when sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid react with each other give the sodium chloride plus में H2O. Secondly, potassium hydroxide plus में H2SO4 when react with each other give the potassium sulfate यानी कि K2SO4 plus में H2O. Students, now we discuss the uses of acids. Acid are used in car batteries, for example sulfuric acids. Acids are used for preserving food, for example acetic acid or vinegars. Acid are used in making industrial products, for example nitric acid in fertilizers, sulfuric acid in detergents. Acid are used to remove rust from iron and steel, for example sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acids. Students, now we summarize the acid and base. Firstly, acid. An acid have pH value less than 7. It turn blue litmus paper red. टेस्ट में ये सोर होते हैं यानी कि एसिड आर सोर इन टेस्ट. स्टिंगिंग फीलिंग से देते हैं. स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड इज कोरोसिव नेचर्स और कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ आयंस. नाउ वी समराइज द एन अल्कली. An alkali has pH value more than 7. It turn red litmus paper blue. In taste, these are bitters. For strong alkalis is corrosive natures. These also conduct electricity. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारा टॉपिक था आज का, जिसको हमने एक क्विक रिवीजन के लिए तैयार किया है. होप है कि आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है, टॉपिक क्लियर हुआ तो इसको लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, ताकि हम आगे भी आपको केमिस्ट्री के, फिजिक्स के और बायो से कंटेंट लेके जो है बोर्ड एग्जाम को ध्यान में रखते हुए कभी रिवीजन करा सकें. धन्यवाद सभी का.